This is going to be a reading for the sign of Libra. So sorry for keeping you guys waiting. I've already done just two readings on this channel and three readings on my other channel, and have been doing some small readings on my Instagram channel, that is Libra Vibes Only. So if you are on Instagram, please follow that channel. Right now, I see one card for you, that is Four of Cups. Okay, so something tells me that you feel like the people you have in front of you are not really taking you seriously. Okay, so I'm sorry about that. But with King of Wands, you have a lot of passion for this person, but I believe you are not taking any sort of action. You are holding back. I wish your energy changes, darling. I really wish. I pray and hope that your energy changes soon. With Ace of Cups, many of you guys are finally going to get attention from either a new soulmate or someone who had ghosted you. Okay, this person possibly could be a water sign or possibly earth sign. I don't know why I'm getting earth. I hate earth though. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or someone who has earth in their chart, like sun, moon, rising. Okay, so Libra, for the next let's take 2 days, 48 hours. Okay, so let's start. Spirit, please help me get a reading for the sign of Libra. All that Libra needs to know about their soulmate moving forward, and what can they possibly expect from their soulmate now. Many of you guys are feeling stuck to someone, like you're possibly being unable to walk away or move on. Okay, with Three of Swords, there is a certain feeling of heartache or pain in you. Okay, with Justice, you want balance, you want things to just you want peace in your life, darling. You are very much looking for peace and balance. You're done with wasting time and wanting and begging and investing. You're done with that shit. Okay, so that's what it tells me. Because with Eight of Swords, you're so stuck. You're feeling stuck to someone that has been giving you nothing. Okay, but fear not. I do see a new lover coming in for many of you. If you are waiting for a new lover, if you're not waiting for a new lover, still you'll encounter a new person in your life. For some of you, there is also a past person trying to return. Okay, whatever. There's no harm in entertaining, darling. Trust me on that. Yeah, for many of you, there is this water sign that's coming towards you with Nine of Cups. Okay, someone who wants to give you attention, someone who's been possibly holding back from you. I believe many Libras are dealing with two people. Okay, someone who they are dealing with and someone who from their past. Okay, so you know better. If you're not dealing with anyone, then God bless you. I don't know, darling. So here we go. Libras in soulmate relationships. So what's coming for Libra for the next few days? Spirit, give me two cards. What's really coming up for Libras now? Darling, you guys are possibly going to go through a tower moment. Okay, you guys might end up fighting with someone. Trust me on this. Or you guys have already fought with someone, and you guys are kind of falling out with someone. Okay, if breakup or falling out is not a big issue. It happens with everyone. So relax. After this breakup, you will get the peace you've been looking for. Okay, for many of you guys are going through some fights, arguments, or some falling out with your person. But whatever fallout or breakup is happening right now, that's going to actually help you heal. Trust me on that. Okay. Speak me one more card for what's really coming up for Libras for the next few days. With Three of Cups, I know that it's a phase of lockdown, but I still see you having a good time. With Three of Cups, like many of you guys are reconnecting with new people. Some of you with your old friends. You guys are reconnecting and maybe even talking over social media. But whatever it is, I do see you having a good time for the next 48 hours. Okay, even though you have fought with your person, I see good things coming towards you. Enjoying your time and space. Okay. With Six of Cups, for some of you, it's the past soulmate returning. Someone you've already known. Okay, so please be open to that. If there's someone new coming in your life, good for you. If someone past is returning, You know better, you should take them or not. But the Ten of Swords, many of you guys are possibly going through some endings, okay? Like you guys are basically going through a fallout. Something in your life that should be ending is ending. Trust me on this. Let's start your reading now. What can my dear Libras possibly expect in their soulmate relationship for the next 48 hours, please? So here we go. Spirit, please help me connect with Libra and their soulmate's energy, and please let's see where this connection is possibly moving forward. Help me directly tune into your message through this reading. So what's the overall energy going to be like for Libra and their soulmate moving forward, Spirit? What's the overall energy going to be like for Libra and their soulmate moving forward? One card for that, please. There's a lot of confusion that's going on between the two of you. You or your soulmate think that you have more than one option, okay? And one of you is not really wanting to possibly commit or stay in a stable connection. You are wanting to keep your options open, like keep yourself open for business. Okay, so with Nine of Pentacles, many of you guys are just more focused on being financially and emotionally independent, and you both have plenty of option around. Trust me on this, okay? Or your partner looks at you as someone who has a lot of option. So let's see your partner's energy towards you. Libra soulmate's energy towards Libra, please. One card for Libra soulmate's energy towards Libra. But at the current moment, I believe there's a lot of confusion going on. Trust me on this, okay? Your person is going to come towards you and offer you emotions. Okay, your person is very much thinking about you, even though you guys might have fought with someone, whatever, but I do see a person. I would not say the same person, but I'd see a soulmate who is wanting to open up to you, wanting to open up. Okay, that's their energy. They're wanting to kind of start something with you. Okay, so in terms of their intentions towards you, how are they going to act on it? One card for what can my dear Libras expect for the next 48 hours, Spirit? What can my dear Libras possibly expect for the next 48 hours? Fuck. With Judgment card, someone is wanting to give you a second chance. Okay, I'll have to clarify that. Just a second. Few cards just slipped out. We have King of Pentacles, Four of Swords, and Four of Wands. So please clarify the Judgment as what Libra's partners want you to do towards Libra. Now what can my dear Libras possibly expect? For some of you, your partner is wanting to hold on to this, even though they might not be saying it out loud, but they are wanting to hold on to this. Okay, so let's say the past energy between Libra and their soulmate. What's the past energy like between Libra and their soulmate? What was happening between Libra and their soulmate, Spirit? In the past, your person was kind of treating you like a friend, like friend zoning you. They were around you for sure, but not really doing much about it. Okay, like they were behaving very casual with you. Okay, in the past. So let's see in terms of their intentions. One card for their intentions towards you, Libras. One card for Libra, so this intentions towards Libra now. For some of you, I'll be very honest here. For some of you, there is a chapter in your life which is ending, which was karmic. It was supposed to end. Okay. For some of you, you guys will go through a fallout. And for selected few of you, there is a person coming in your life with Four of Wands. So this person wants stability with you. But there is a chapter in your life which is ending. Okay, don't get confused now. You guys possibly know that someone who was toxic to you will end the cycle with you, and someone who is good to you and someone who is good for you, that connection will move forward. Okay. So in terms of what are they wanting to offer you now, one card for what are they possibly wanting to offer you now, Libra soulmate. What are they possibly wanting to offer you now? they do not have something fixed on what they are wanting to offer you. Okay, with two of swords, they are possibly going to go with the flow. Whoever is coming towards you is possibly going to go with the flow. Trust me on that. So one card for their current feelings towards you. One card for their current feelings towards you. Restless. This person is restless on you. They are wanting to fix this connection. They do not know what to do. How do they possibly think about you? One card for how they possibly view you or think about you. Card for how do they possibly view Libra now. They view you as the world. Okay, for some of you it is clarified by 10 of Pentacles, bottom up by this Page of Wands. So this is not an ending for sure. For some of you, your person is wanting to reconnect with you with 10 of Pentacles. They might not say it out loud. They might not, give you any sort of hints. But I do see someone making a move towards you. Okay, so you'll know who makes a move and who doesn't. Okay. So one card for how do they feel about you when they think of you, when they possibly miss you. Libra soulmate, how do they possibly feel about you? With King of Pentacles bottom up by Ace of Cups, this person feels like you can give them stability. Okay, but they might also think like you are way too focused on your finances, your work life, your career, your family. Okay, and that you do not give them enough time. Okay, with Five of Wands, they could also look at you as someone who they have to put in a lot of effort to get your attention. Okay, for some of you, not for all, they feel like they have to put in a lot of effort to get your attention. For people like me, that works. Just say one card for what you can expect from your partner for the next 48 hours, Libra. What you can possibly expect from your partner for the next 48 hours. This person wants your attention, trust me on that, but is still going to behave they are not looking for a relationship. Trust me on this. They might come forward in a very friendly manner, but you will get their attention. Okay, you will get their attention, but this person might not actually behave like a romantic partner around you. You know what I'm trying to say, right? So where this connection is possibly moving forward now? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Libras and their soulmate for the next 48? This reading was hella messed up, but trust me on that. With the Strength card, you guys are still going to hold on to each other. Might not be doing a lot to fix this connection, but still holding on, trust me. With Chariot card, things are moving forward, but very slowly. Okay. One card for what do they possibly want from you? What does a Libra soulmate possibly want from Libra now? What does Libra soulmate possibly want from Libra now? They want you to take action towards them. They want you to make a move towards them. They want you to come in fast towards them. Okay, I said come in. Okay, do not take the other meaning. I know there's a channel who only talks about sex, but fuck it. You give me one more card for what action are they wanting you to take towards them. What action are they truly wanting you to take towards them now? One card for that, please. With Page of Pentacles, they want you to continue investing, continue communicating, continue having a connection. Okay, with Nine of Cups, they still want this. Okay, so for those who are single now, give me one card for those who are single, Libras who are single. What's really coming up for Libras who are single for the next few days? You'll have to wait for a while, darling. There are better opportunities coming in your life, but you'll have to possibly wait for a while. Maybe possibly 2 weeks. Okay, but I do see communication coming in for you guys. Okay, so maybe 2 weeks you'll have to wait, but I wouldn't say 2 weeks. I'd say a week. Okay, I'd say 8 days, 7 to 8 days. I do see communication coming in for you. Okay, so let's take love messages for Libra. Love messages for Libra soulmate, from Libra soulmate, sorry. And all those who have booked personal readings with me, darling, thank you so much for having the patience and waiting on. I'm on it, and you'll be getting it within the next 72 hours. I can't do more than 2 readings a day, so for all those who have booked, will get your reading within the next 72 hours. So thank you for waiting. Trust me on that. For some of you, they want to say we could have let down our egos, but we let down ourselves instead. Okay, and one more card. For some of you, your partner was trying to put you into a third party, and they were not saying anything wrong in that. So even if they were entertaining others, people around them, they did not see something wrong in that. So that connection could possibly end. If there was a third party, I do see a third party situation ending. Trust me on that. Okay. And for those who are in a soulmate relationship, I wish I had told you how much you mean to me. Okay, so this is your Libra reading. Please do like the video, because every like counts. If you say you love me, that doesn't mean anything. You should like the video for that. Okay, and and subscribe and comment, and come and follow me on Instagram. If you're a Libra, you're missing your bonus readings there on Libra Vibes Only, and I do post a lot of spiritual stuff on Divine Soul Tarot, so you can follow both channels. And thank you for your love, your subscribes, your comments, your likes. It means a lot. It keeps me going in this tough time. And yeah, see you guys soon. I'm sorry for keeping you guys waiting. Love you guys. Cheers.